Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2017 Mazda BT-50 dual cab XT. Stock reference number 4519. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 and is the current shape. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight. It's got an aftermarket ARB winch bar. It does have some slight damage by the look of it. Sold with a worn winch with remote, side steps, brush bars. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right hand side step, brush bars with bull bar. It's got a Safari-aftermarket snorkel supplied with all fittings. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, 6-speed manual, shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the steering wheel 3-spoke vinyl with cruise control and audio. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.